Hi friends, today I am show you how to make instant coffee in 2 methods. Number 1 method. Step number 1, mix a tablespoon of instant coffee with 1/4 cup 59 milliliters of hot water. Heat the water in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. Add the instant coffee, and stir until the coffee granules are completely dissolved. 14. Combine the water and coffee in the mug you plan on using. The mug should fit at least 1 cup 240 milliliters. Step number 2, add sugar or spices, if desired. If you like your latte sweet or flavored, add a teaspoon of sugar, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, vanilla extract, or a flavored coffee syrup. Add it to the mug and stir until it's well combined. 15. Step number 3, shake 1/2 cup 120 milliliters of milk in a sealed jar. Pour the milk into a lidded microwave-safe jar, seal the lid, then shake it hard for 30 to 60 seconds. This will froth the milk for your classic latte. 16. Step number 4, microwave the milk uncovered for 30 seconds. Remove the jar's lid, then heat the milk. The foam will rise to the top of the warm milk. 17. Step 05, pour the hot milk into the mug. Use a large spoon to hold back the froth as you pour the hot milk into the coffee base. Gently stir the mixture until it's uniform in color. 18. If you like your latte darker, don't add all of the steamed milk. Add just enough to reach your desired color. Step number 6, top the latte with the milk foam or whipped cream. Spoon the milk froth from the jar over the latte, or add a dollop of whipped cream for extra richness. 19. Step number 7, garnish with a sprinkle of spices and serve the latte immediately. Lightly dust the milk foam or whipped cream with cinnamon, nutmeg, cocoa, or other spice of your choice. Sip or serve it promptly while it's hot and the milk is still frothy. 20. Number 2 method. Step number 1, mix 2 teaspoons of instant coffee with 1/2 cup 120 milliliters of hot water. Heat the water in the microwave for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Stir the coffee and hot water together until the coffee granules are dissolved. 9. Mix your coffee in the glass you want to drink from or in a separate cup. Just make sure the cup you use is microwavable. If you'll pour the coffee over ice in a separate cup, microwave the water in a measuring cup or other vessel with a spout. Step number 2, stir sugar or spices into the warm mixture, if desired. If you're using sugar or spices, add them before the ice and cold water or milk. Sugar, cinnamon, allspice, and other ingredients will dissolve better in the warm mixture. 10. You can also add flavored coffee creamer or syrup instead of sugar and spices. Step number 2, stir sugar or spices into the warm mixture, if desired. If you're using sugar or spices, add them before the ice and cold water or milk. Sugar, cinnamon, allspice, and other ingredients will dissolve better in the warm mixture. 10. You can also add flavored coffee creamer or syrup instead of sugar and spices. Step number 3, add 1/2 cup 120 milliliters of cold water or milk to the warm mixture. For creamier iced coffee, use cold milk instead of water. Stir until everything is combined and evenly distributed. 11. Step number 4, pour your cold coffee over some ice. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes, and slowly pour your cold coffee over the ice. 12. If you made the coffee in the glass you want to drink from, just add ice to it. Step number 5, serve the instant iced coffee immediately. Sip your iced coffee straight from the glass or add a straw to it. Serve or drink it before all the ice melts and waters it down. 13.